To download MicroCode, you're going to need a computer, microbit, micro USB cable, and a code control device. First, we'll need to connect your microbit to the computer. Grab your micro USB cable and connect one end to the microbit and the other end to your USB port. Next up, downloading the MicroCode hex file and transferring it to the microbit. Grab the file from the MicroCode user guide or from Forward Education's tutorial page. Once the file is downloaded, you can simply drag and drop it from your Downloads folder directly onto the microbit drive. It's time to disconnect the microbit. Make sure you safely eject the microbit from your computer before physically disconnecting it. We're almost there. Now take your code control and slide the microbit pins carefully into its edge connector. Power on your code control. MicroCode should automatically load and you're all set to start programming.